added here, and there is ICT and governance, which is another important topic. And I went through the previous year questions, and we find out that in June 2024, many questions have been asked from ICT and governance. So it is an important topic now, like payment portals, government initiatives, and e-commerce, Information Act, questions asked from Information Act, e-commerce, and then cyber security related and initiatives of government, and also payment portals like BIM, DigiLocker. These are the questions asked in June 2024 examination. So it is important to understand basics of ICT and the governance. So here the government is using electronics to improve transparency, accountability, and helps the citizens of India to reduce the burden of citizens of India. So thus e-governance is basically associated with carrying out the functions and achieving the results of governance through the utilization of information and communication technology. What are the techniques, tools have been used to make the government transparent, accountable, and for the peoples? They are giving services to the peoples. So almost we are in digital India. We are using like digital payments when digital India is introduced. First, it was everyone said it is not a good idea, but nowadays you can see that almost everyone is using digital payments. Like the government is promoting everything, like EPFO. We can manage our provident fund account. We can change our electoral documents like voter ID through Epic portal. So these are the initiatives, and also for businesses, they have initiatives like eJam, and also e-digital court, e-court is available. So these are the initiatives provided by government. So we need to understand the Information Act, e-commerce, and how government is investing and how it can benefit citizens of India. So the major objective here is to support and simplify governance for all the government agents, citizens, and businesses. E-governance also means e-democracy, where all form of communication between the electorate and the electoral happen electronically or digital. The key role, not only in terms of e-governance model to demonstrate the key changes we see in services for healthcare, education, banking, mobility, agriculture, and other allied fields, but also to keep the country on the path of development in emerging competition on various fronts from other countries. So these are the journey so far the government have created. In 1970, Department of Electronics has been created, and in 1977, National Informatics Center created to make a repository of like audios, digitalizing the files, and from 1980s, the uses of computers have begun, and in 1987, National Satellite-based computer network have been launched, and the District Information System of National Informatics Center is launched. In 1998, National Task Force on Information and Technology and Software Development has been created. That's the time where Andhra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu, we have started and built an infrastructure for IT park. That's where uh, South India becomes a hub. Bangalore became the hub of IT. And in 1999, Union Ministry of Technology, Ministry of Information Technology is established. In 2000, 2005 plan, in 2000 to 2005 year plan, 12-point e-governance launched by central and state government with focus on government to citizen, government to business, and government to government initiatives. In 2006 to 11 plan, the fifth 5-year plans, National E-Government Plan have been created. And from 2012 to 2017, the current e-government and digital India initiatives have created. So here we will see about types of government interaction in e-governance. So you have government to citizen. It is completely different from e-commerce model. Okay, so consumer to uh, business to consumer. This is here e-governance is different. C to G, government to government. G to G, government to government. G to C, government to citizen. G2B, government to business. G2E, government to employee. Here some of the important initiatives in the field of e-governance. For example, for government to government, we have e-office project. E-office project of central government for file movement across the department. E-office project for central government. It is aimed at efficient file routing, quick search, and retrieval of files and office orders, digital signature for authentication, forms, and reporting components. So, government to government e-office project. Then we have government to citizen initiative to offer a variety of ICT services to citizens in an efficient and economical manner and to strengthen the relationship between government and citizens using technology. First one, CSC, scheme to deliver various services to citizens of India. So for to update Aadhaar, to verify PAN card, we can get the PAN card from CSC services centers, and also Patachita from government, uh, Villanga Chandran, I didn't forget the name of the certificates, and land registration offices. Uh, these services offered by CSC, okay, centers to provide basic services like they don't have to go to the taluk office, they don't have to go to the district office, so they can manage everything from the village itself by using CSC office. And then Bharat bill pay portal, one-stop bill payment system for citizens. And then Passport Seva Kendra, we can make an appointment either at the regional offices whenever we want, sorry, on the date, and the time is given. Time is given by the offices. So we can make an online appointment, and we can also check the status of our passport application. And even if it is rejected, we can see why the application is rejected. And then PAN, NSDL, and to provide permanent account number, cards, and manage everything. We have Unit Trust of India offices all over India, and NSDL services to hold as a repository for National Securities Depository Limited, and then E-District to provide certificates, licenses, uh, access to social welfare scheme, right to information, RTA, right to information, land registration. Citizens can use e-district websites. We can get, for example, we can apply our community certificate, income certificate, anything like whatever, almost 90% of certificates we can get from e-digital. Next. And then EPIC, which is the Election Commission Services provided by Government of India.
Exam
Then EPIC, which is a government portal, we can search we can also able to retrieve our electoral card. We can verify whether which booth I have to vote, like that. And then IRCTC to provide services for rail passengers. Then e-Panchayat portal to govern everything, to govern services provided by Panchayat Union to citizens of India. And then e-Court Mission project. It is under developing project. In this year, Smartly Hackathon also we have two or three problem statements to make a chatbot for e-court mission mode project. So they are developing. And then NTA, National Testing Agency, to conduct all the government examinations, central government examinations like our UGC NET, JEE examinations, NEET examinations, so like that. The National Agriculture Market for Citizens, eNAM, National Agriculture Market. So these are the services provided by the government to the citizens of India to make governance transparent. And then government to businesses. Through MCA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, all business-related needs and requirements for a company is given, like manuals, access to repository, and they can go through like tender is another one. And then e-tender, we can make a tender through. We don't have to make a physical tender. We can make it as a e-tender, GST filling, e-biz mission mode project. E-biz here means e-business. E-biz means e-business. And then e-gem, government e-marketplace for businesses. Then government online recruitment portal for recruitment for businesses from colleges, and then also we can manage from other companies. And then government to employees. Some of the initiatives here is Pradhan Mandar Rojgar Roshan Yojana. Wait, I will search for this. Pradhan Mantri Rojan. Pradhan Mantri Roger Second Yojana. I think. Search this. EPF portal we already knew. Let me check this Pradhan Mandar portal. What is the initiative is about? Okay, it's about English. Employment promotion scheme. It's a employment promotion scheme to incentive employers registered with employees provident fund organization for job creation by government paying the full contribution of employers to the employee pension scheme. Okay. This for employment promotion scheme, Pradhan Mantri Employment Promotion Scheme. And then EPF, EPS model, EPFO website to for both employers and employees using universal account number, UAN number. Everyone have their UAN number. We can able to view the balance, pension amounts, and adjustments, interest, balance, and we can also make a withdrawal. Most 75%, I think 75% for emergencies. We can make changes to the portal if we are switching companies, and we can merge the provident fund accounts from various companies. If we work in one company to another, we can make a claim and also merge all everything into your one account. So these are the services provided by government to employees through EPFO. So the benefits includes increases accountability, transparency, higher availability of public domain information. It reduces corruption, higher penetration due to automation, and it increases efficiency due to connectivity. For all this, we need to access to internet. In 2006 to 11 National E-Governance Plan, we will check and initiatives under National E-Government Plan, statewide area networks to connect all the states, state data centers to host government applications, common service centers, CSC, common service centers, which enabled internet enabled center at district level, electronic forms through state portal to download and submit applications, capacity building to implementation from city to village, and e-district to provide administration services by web services like RTA, right to information, social welfare, ration card, birth, and death certificate. And then citizen engagement to create deep awareness of a project. So these are the plan initiatives under National E-Governance Plan from 2006 to 2011 plan, 5-year. And then Digital India. It's a flagship program of Government of India with a vision to transform India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. It's an umbrella program covering many departments. Here, it weaves together as a large number of ideas and thoughts into a single comprehensive vision so that each of them is seen as a part of a larger goal. Each individual element stands on its own, but it's also part of the larger picture. It is coordinated by DEITY, implemented by the entire government. The weaving together makes the mission transformative in totally. This program pulls together many existing schemes. Schemes will be reconstructed and refocused, will be implemented in a synchronized manner. Elements are only process improvements with minimal cost. The common branding of programs as Digital India highlights the transformative impact. So these are the 9 pillars of Digital India to create broadband highways, universal access to mobile connectivity, public internet access programs, e-governments, reforming government through technology, e-kranti, electronic delivery of services, then right to information, information to all, and then electronics manufacturing, IT, information technology for jobs, and early harvest programs. You will see each one. These are the 9 pillars of Digital India. Broadband highways to support broadband for all rural. Broadband here means internet connection. Broadband here means internet connection. All rural, urban, and national information structure infrastructure by DOT and DEITY. Universal access to mobile connectivity for providing coverage to uncovered villages with mobile connectivity. Public internet access programs with has 2 components. One is CSS, Common Service Centers, and then Post Office to be covered into multi-service centers. Post Office, some Post Office we can make like we can also perform everything from Post Office nowadays. if there is no CSC, common service centers in a village, if there is a post office, we can make we can use the post office as a CSC, as a CSC, common service center. And then e-governance, reforming government through technology, online applications and tracking, online repositories like DigiLocker, online repositories like DigiLocker, use of online repositories for certificates, educational degrees, identity documents should be mandated so that citizens are not required to submit these documents in physical form. And then integration of services and platforms. Here, example, Aadhaar platform of UIDAI, like Unique Identity Authority of India, UIDAI, Unique Identity Authority of India, Payment Gateway, Mobile Seva platform, sharing of data through open application, programming interfaces, and middleware such as national and state service delivery gateways should be mandated to facilitate integrated and interoperable service delivery to citizens and businesses. And then e-Kranti, like to provide electronic delivery of services. There are 44 mission mode projects under e-Kranti program. 44 mission mode projects under e-Kranti program. These mission mode projects are grouped into central, state, and integrated projects. And then right to information to all, open data platform, social media engagement, and online message. Uh, and then electronic manufacturing, promoting electronics manufacturing in the country with a target of net zero imports by 2020. Net zero import means we have to like made in India project. And then IT for jobs. This pillar focuses on providing training to the youth in the skills required for availing employment opportunities in IT sector. And early harvest programs basically consist of those projects which are to be implemented within short timelines, such as biometric attendance, Wi-Fi in public places, secure email, and SMS-based alerts. I think 3 months or 4 months ago, we have this uh, alert from government to as a demo for uh, disaster management. They checked it is already under development. It is for disaster management like um, earthquake and the wind uh, landslide. So whichever is vulnerable, they are making disaster management uh, programs. Like in each year, Smart Near Hackathon will have almost 20 to 30 disaster management problem statements, and students are working on that. So the government making initiatives on disaster management for early harvest programs. The important key points to remember is National E-Governance Plan has been formulated by Department of Electronics and Information Technology and Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances in 2016. So these are the basic concept and things about ICT and governments. There are initiatives also there. We need to study further. Okay, now we will check questions, previous year questions. Sorry, questions asked in June 2024 examination. Okay. Okay. So the first question is, there are two statements given. One statement one is one of the major characteristics of good government, that is it is autocratic. It is autocratic. Autocratic means we have to check. And then statement 2. Right to information is one of the tools of good governance. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. There are two statements given. One is statement 1 and statement 2. So we have to choose the best option. Either statement 1 is true or statement 2 is true, or both statement 1 is true to both statements true or both statements false. Right? Which can be the right answer? Which can be the right answer?
Both are true, sir.
Both are true. First, I will check the meaning for autocratic. Okay. Autocratic. Autocratic means here a way of ruling, but not in a right way. A ruler with absolute power, a person who does not take into consideration the opinions or wishes of other people. Like Hitler. Okay. Basically, good governance doesn't care about people like that. So statement 1 and statement 2. Both are true is not right answer. So what can be the right answer here? Let's see that this is the importance of English here. Autocratic means ruling but not in a right way. Okay, ruling not right, not right. So a good governance is that it is not ruling right way. So this cannot be the right answer. But then right to information is one of the tools of good governance. We already seen this government to citizens. It is government to citizens portal. So right to information is one of the tools of good governance. So statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. The right answer. Right. In IT Act 2000, which sections deals with punishment for cyber terrorism? See, they are asking question from Constitution. So the correct answer would be in this 86. Yes. The Information Technology Act 2000, also known as ITA 2000 or the IT Act, is an act of Indian Parliament. The primary objective of IT Act 2000 are granting legal recognition of all transition done through electronic data exchange, other means of electronic communication, or e-commerce in place of the earlier paper-based communication. So I will make. I have to make notes for this. For Indian Technology Act, Information Technology Act. Okay. Which of the following is not correct regarding DigiLocker, a key initiative under Digital India program of Government of India? Which of the following is not correct?
C, sir.
B also. Option B.
The slogan of DigiLocker is "My documents anytime, anywhere." It is correct. This is the slogan of DigiLocker. Okay. It is a slogan of DigiLocker. It is correct. So the question here asked is not correct. Which of the following is wrong? And then citizens can self-upload documents and digitally sign them using e-sign facility. Yes.
We cannot upload the documents, no, sir.
Yes, citizens can self-upload documents and digitally sign them using e-sign facility. Yes. We can upload our documents. For example, I have completed in my 2008. I completed 12th in 2008. But in that time, there was no Aadhaar, and my qualification is not attached with Aadhaar number. There is no UMIS. So I can self-upload and the documents and then digitally sign it. And also like Swayam courses like that. And it aims to eliminate the use of physical documents and provide access to their digital documents anytime, anywhere. It is okay. So Indian citizens who sign up for a DigiLocker account get a dedicated cloud storage space that is limited to their Aadhaar number. It is maybe linked to the Aadhaar number. Maybe it's not limited, I think. Maybe the question here is that is linked. Maybe linked. So Indian citizens who sign up for DigiLocker account get a dedicated cloud storage, not possible. In cloud storage, we are not going to get dedicated storage. We are going to share it. So it would be a correct answer. Yes. So this is not right. Others are true. So which means citizens can self-upload documents, and the slogan of DigiLocker is "My documents anytime, anywhere." And it's also admit the use of physical documents and provide access to the digital documents anytime, anywhere, and share it on. Right. First, cyber law, which provides the legal infrastructure for e-commerce in India, is first cyber law, which provides the legal infrastructure for e-commerce in India, is
The Information Technology Act 1996.
no 2000. Here in this question itself, we have seen this established in 2000.
Okay.
It is 2000. Okay. The use of information technology to improve the ability of the government to address the needs of the society is known as
Sir, previous slide, sir.
yes, this one.
Thank you, sir.
This one. The use of information technology to improve the ability of government to address the needs of the society is known as
E-governance.
yes, e-governance. Correct. Yeah, another one. Which of the following mobile payment application is developed by the National Payments Corporation of India based on UPI? UPI.
Phone Pay. Answer D.
B.
Phone Pay.
BIM.
BIM. Bharat.
BIM.
Phone Pay is not. Okay. My government is this BIM. BHIM. Bharat Interface for Money. Bharat Interface for Money. Demand for digital transaction in India, unified payment process and instant payment system developed by National Payments Corporation of India, an RBI regulated entity. UPI is built over the IMPS. This one, immediate payment services infrastructure, and allows you to instantly transfer money between any two parties' bank accounts. It led to the development of BIM by the National Payments Corporation of India. BIM is a mobile payment application that can be used by anyone who has bank account with a linked mobile number and was launched by Prime Minister of Narendra Modi on 30 December 2016. Another one government's BIM. BIM is right. BIM is right. Check what is Umang. What is Umang? What is Umang? What is Umang? Umang. Unified mobile application for new age governance. Unified, Umang means unified mobile application for new age governance. The mobile app, a digital India initiative of Ministry of, okay, well, that's about 20 or 23 Indian languages and it is available for Indian. This is actually used. Okay. Variety of e-government services including income tax filing, Aadhaar and Provident Fund recoveries, gas cylinder booking and passport seva. Umang is mobile application for new age governance. Here before I share, I will add. Okay. Okay. Another question: which of the following ICT initiatives of MHRD deals with e-governance for institutions or universities? Deals with e-governance for institutions or universities. You can see with one definitely the right answer because definitely it's not with one and it is not Swayam. Okay, so Samar. Okay, which means it's a ERP software under the National Mission on Education. Okay. The aim of e-governance platform Samar is to provide quality education to students across all universities and higher education institutions. This initiative will also enhance productivity through better information management in the institute. Okay, platform has been implemented at the National Institute of Technology Kurukshetra, a participating unit under the World Bank supported technical education quality improvement program. So far, 38 modules have been implemented in NIT Kurukshetra. Which of the following provides network backbone and e-governance support to government bodies in India?
Option
Be the
B,
right
sir.
option?
B.
No, it is actually network backbone, which means data. Data should be stored. So NASCOM here means National Association of Software. I think National Association of Software Service Companies. I think you will check NASCOM is different. Association of Software Service Companies. Information Technology. SPA definitely not. National Information Center. Yes. NIC provides network backbone and e-government support to government bodies. Yeah. NIC stands for National Rashtriya Shiksha Vigyan Kendra. Vigyan Kendra. Maybe Vigyan Kendra. Rashtriya Shiksha Vigyan Kendra. It was founded in 1976, headquarters in New Delhi. For NIC National Informatics Center. NASCOM means Software Association Company, National Association for Software. National Association of Software and Service Companies. Indian Government Trade Association and advocacy group that primarily serves the Indian technology industry, founded in 1988. National Association of Software and Service Companies. Software and Service Companies Association. Okay. That was good. Okay, you can see that there are many questions asked. It is completely, we need to study further in this. So I will add this ICT and government's notes, and I will further add few more questions here. Okay. So now we have covered everything related to ICT. So now we can check our knowledge level and how much we understand the basic things on ICT. Okay. Put the following units of storage in the smallest to largest. Okay, you have to put it in the order from smallest to largest. So this is a storage unit.
Bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte,
So it should be bit and bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. So in the order here is we have to make it. So 6 bit to byte 1 kilobyte, then megabyte, kilobyte, then megabyte, and then gigabyte, and then terabyte. So C, the right answer. So, which is an instant messenger that is used for chatting? Alta Vista, Mac. Mac is our operating system. Microsoft Office, Google Talk.
Google Talk,
Yes, Google Talk is used for chatting. Yes, Alta Vista. What is Alta Vista? Is actually web search engine. Alta Vista is the web search engine before Google. Okay. Given the following email field, which of the following email addresses will Swami be able to see when he receives the message? Now, Swami is a plain carbon copy. Okay. So, which email field he will see when he receives the message?
Ram, Raj, Ravi. He can see 3. 2 and CC he can see.
Ram, Raj, Ram,
Raj, Ravi.
Rama. Can he able to see Rama? Okay, Rama is also in blind carbon copy. I think it's not possible. It's not possible, right? Because he is also in blind carbon copy.
Option A, sir.
Yes. Ram, Raj, Ravi. Yes. The Rama can Swami cannot able to view Rama because Rama is also in blind carbon copy. So he can able to see Ram, Raj, Ravi. Yes. I think that's the correct. Yes. Okay. Rama cannot be seen. So Rama cannot be seen because Rama is also added in blind carbon copy. Yes, CB is the correct answer. Then, which of the following correctly list computer memory type from highest to lowest speed? Highest to lowest speed. Speed in terms of speed. Which is faster comes first, slowest comes last.
Option D.
CPU registers, cache memory, secondary storage, main memory. Which one option? Option secondary storage is the slowest speed. Secondary storage is definitely slowest. And then main memory, ROM, and then RAM, and then what will be? Either C or D. This C. CPU registers are much faster than cache memory. So here the difference between main and cache here is if you visit something frequently, then it is loaded in the smaller memory location, so we can get it faster. So that is cache memory. CPU registers is an internal register, so it actually fast. So C is the correct. Which of the following is not open source software? We already see this. The Internet Explorer is not an open source software. Then, which of the following represents billion characters? Billion characters. Which of the following represents billion characters?
Terabyte,
Billion
sir.
characters. One character represents 1 bit. One character represents 1 bit. Okay. If A is a character, then it is a 1 bit. So one character represents 1 bit. Example, kilobytes means 1024. It's actually maybe 10 to the power of 1000, right? 103. Then 4. This is 10 to the power of 3,000. 10 to the power of 4, 10,000. 10 to the power of 5, 1 lakh. 10 to the power of 6, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs. 10 to the power of 7, 10 lakhs, then 1 crore. 10 to the power of 8, 100 crores. 10 to the power of 9, 1,000 crores, which is actually billion. So it is actually GP, gigabits. Okay, gigabits. Next question. The process of copying file to a CD-ROM is known as. The process of copying files to a CD-ROM is known as.
A, burning.
Yes,
Burner.
burning is the right answer. Burner. There are many software. Burning is the right. What is the name of a web page for a web page address. What is the name?
URL.
Yes, uniform resource locator. Right. Which of the following sentences are true? The decimal number 11 is larger than the hexadecimal number 1. No, 1. Decimal number 11. Here it is stated that 11. This is decimal number which is greater than hexadecimal number 16. And then binary number 11100101. The fractional part has the value 0.625. Which of the following is true? Okay. Now we have to check 11. No. 1 is actually 1. It is not bigger. If it is more than 11, it should be either 12. Actually, either one of this must be 12 can be represented A 10, B 11, C 12. So if it is C, then it is bigger. So it is not right. So statement 1 is wrong. Okay. Now the fractional part. Okay, the fractional part. 0.625. Okay, 101. 101 here. 1 into 10 to the power of minus 0 plus 0 into 10 to the power of minus 1. We start with 1 here. It's already 0. Minus 10 to the power of minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 10 to the power of minus 3. It gives you 10 to the power of minus 1. Sorry, 2. It's not 10 but 2. It's binary. 2. It is binary. So that's a mistake. 1 into 10 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of minus 2. 2 to the power of minus 3. So it will give actually to the power of minus 2 into 1, which actually 1 by 2 plus actually 0 plus 1 by 8. Okay, 1 into 8. So now 2 8 minus 1 by 8. So actually what is 1 by 8? 0 0.25, 0 0.125, 125 into 125. Sorry. 0.625. Actually will provide 625. Yes. Let's check. Okay. On the
So we are getting 0.625.
yes, 0.625. Yes, that's the correct answer. So the fractional part has the decimal value 0.625. So the correct answer is
B is 2 only.
yes, 2 only. So,
Here is.
Option B is correct. Yes. Option B is correct. Option B is correct, but I incorrectly mentioned this as a right answer. Yes, to B. So option B is a correct answer. Yes. Then, it's already seen. Which of the following represents the binary equivalent of the decimal number 25? Okay. Simple one. 1, 2, 2, 8, 16, 16, 4. 16 into 8, 24. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. That's it. That's the right answer. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 is the right answer. Then, what is the full form of USB as used in computer related activities? Full form of USB.
Universal serial bus.
Yes,
C.
that's the correct answer. C is the correct answer. The grains that appear on a television set when operated are also referred to as. In earlier times, you will get the screen, white and black screen. That's
Green dot.
called not green dots, maybe. It's
Raindrop.
actually snow. No, it's a snow. Okay, it's actually a snow. It is used previous. Nowadays, we are not using this kind of. We never get this kind of television. Which of the following are audio files? Which of the following are audio files? Audio file format. Okay.
B and C.
B is
And
advanced audio coding. Correct answer.
C. B and C.
B and C. Windows Media Video. The video. Then this is Flash Video. FLV. Flash files. Flash Video. So the Windows Audio waveform audio file format. I think waveform audio file format. Yes. Waveform audio file format and then advanced audio code. A and B. Okay. A small text file stored on user's computer by some website in order to recognize and keep track of users' preferences called.
Cookie.
Yes, cookies. Yes, the cookies. We should enable the cookies. Then a new laptop has been brought. Okay. A new laptop has been produced that weightless, smaller, and uses less power than previous laptop modules. So, which of the following technologies have been used to accomplish this? Okay, it should be solid state drive, SSD disk, solid state hard drive, SSD. It is very smaller compared to previously used hard disk, HDD. Then, what type of device is a joystick? What type of device is a joystick?
It's an input device.
Yes, it is an input device. Okay. Which of the following is most suitable for being designated as a fourth generation language? So it would be Java, SQL. SQL is what is fourth generation language actually meant? We need to check what is actually fourth generation language meant. SQL is considered as fourth generation language. Fourth generation language is a programming language that is closer to human language. So SQL. So fourth generation language means closer to human language. Programming languages that are closer to human language. C, machine language, programming language. Java is also a programming language. Algol is a programming language. The difference here is how much it is readable. That's the difference. Okay. About hacking. Okay. Assertion. Sniffing may be used to steal data or information over a network. Reasons. Sniffing is a process of monitoring and capturing all data packets passing through given network. So either true or correct explanation. Both are true, but not correct explanation. True or false. It should what would be the right answer. So sniffing is kind of like this on the bucket. Right? Sniffing is like hacking activity to monitor and capture all packets. It is true, and it is used to steal the information. So it is a correct explanation. Yes. Okay. Sniffing involves inspecting, capturing, decoding, and interpreting the information inside the network packet that flows on TCP/IP network. The sole purpose behind this is to steal information, which is very usually in the form of user ID, passwords, network details, credit card numbers. Okay. Yes. Spamming. Which one of the following statements about spamming is true? We all have been spammed. Everyone knows about spamming. We have a spam. We have a spam label for emails.
Option A, sir. Option
Yes.
A.
A is the correct answer. Suppose is posting or emailing unsolicited advertising messages to the wide audience. Okay. Now, even if I use my WhatsApp to so to forward messages to all my accounts using some application, my WhatsApp gets blocked because it is spam. Okay. Some students will report this as spam. They're doing this. What they're doing is students are reporting the teacher's number as spam. So it is actually showing as spam. Okay. So that's it for today. Please go through the materials, and I will tomorrow we'll come up with the new topics, and we'll have mock test for ICT, and we have to complete another topic before 7, so we can have a mock test on 8. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards we have to start another topic, another unit. Okay, so we'll stop here, and paper 2 we can join at 8 p.m. Okay, thank you all. Thank you. Okay, thank you.